Did you know you can set up a landing page in MailChimp for free? Or you can do it within Squarespace using a cover page. You don't have to pay a third party for landing pages every month. You don't. You can do it for free in MailChimp for up to 2,000 subscribers. And they just recently introduced the landing page feature, which is actually really pretty. And I want to show you how to do it click by click. Let's do it.
Let's create a landing page with MailChimp for free. Okay, so you go into MailChimp.com. I already have an account. If you don't, you just click on sign up for free because you can have a free MailChimp account for up to 2,000 subscribers, including automated emails and landing pages, which they have just enabled last year that you can have automated email, the option as well on the free, forever free plan. So you log in to create campaign and you create a landing page and you name it landing page demo. So you can either create a sign up page or a product page. The sign up page is for when you are signing or when you are trying to grow your email list or you want to grow your email list. You click sign up page so that you can connect them to the particular email list that you have the freebie attached to in your automated email, which you will create either afterwards or you might have already created it. So that's easy enough to do. I might do another tutorial on that if you want. So let me know in the comments below. Free replay. So we're going to do the free webinar replay. Click on begin. And now you will be able to design, style your landing page whichever way you like. So in this case, I'm going to add a logo. This one here. And you can either add a color in the background, so you could do orange if you want, or whichever color you want. If you have your hex code, you put it in here. If you have your RGB code, you put it in here, or you can just put it in white if you want, because sometimes the more simple it is, the better. You can always click on preview here to see your end result. So sometimes just keep it simple and it looks just as fine. Obviously we are not done yet, so I'm going to click out of this. You will add your big enticing headline. So in my case, I might say make it happen with Squarespace. And here you would add your text to tell people what they're gonna get when they jump on your list. So watch this free webinar replay to learn how to start your Squarespace website the easy peasy way, one click at a time, just as an example. Okay, and then I'm gonna make this center. And I'm gonna change the button here. Let's say I want to say, yes, send me the link. So I always tend to use capital letters for buttons. It kind of looks better. Here you can decide if you would like the first name to be added as well. I am not gonna do that right now because these are brand new people who are on my website or who I'm going to send this to, and they might not want to give me their details just yet. So we're going to click save, and here is where I'm going to style it up a little bit more. So I would like this to be a little bit of a bigger type or writing. I don't think they have Montserrat here, so I'm going to use Verdana. If I can find it. Oh, there it is. There is Montserrat, because that's what I use. So let's just use it. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Could use this, probably a bit too big. And here I'm going to make it a little bit darker. Hex code. So it's nearly black, but it's not really black, if you know what I mean. Line height, you're going to leave that. Text style, so that's that. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to change the color of the button. Click into the box, and here is where I can change the text color of email address. And I might leave it as it is. I don't really want it Arial. I'm going to keep it the same and have it in Montserrat as well. And here I'm going to just to show you, I may use orange, and here I may use the hover color is green, so that when they hover over it, it becomes green. So it's kind of a nice little effect. I don't want it in full width. I want it as a button like this, and I would like it either centered, probably not. I'm gonna leave it in the left. No, I'll leave it centered. Looks nice, that's fine. The text color we're gonna leave on the button, we're gonna leave in white. And we save it and close it. Again, you can preview at any time and see if you like it. What does it feel like? So in this case, it's not quite done yet. So I would like to have an image in the background. So I might be choosing this one. Click Insert and see what that looks like. See if it feels okay for you. So yeah, it's quite nice and colorful. So let's do it. Let's choose that one. And now we're going to click Save and Continue. And we add page title and URL. So this is what people are going to see when you share it either on your email text, or you add a button to your automated email, or you add a link or link the link here to your Squarespace website or to your website, to any button on your website. So let's say I'm gonna call it webinar replay. Now, unfortunately, you can't change this number here. That's a randomly generated number, so that's always going to be there. So we click Save, we click Publish. You have to click Publish first before you can share the link. So don't forget to do that. Now, here's the link that you can share with your email or wherever you want to share it. So let's quickly have a quick look what it looks like. There you go. This is the landing page that you share. You can also edit it anytime. So if you wanted an image here, or 2 text boxes, or an image to introduce yourself, an image of you, you can do that as well. You just go into the same row, you tick the little box, you go onto the drop-down menu and click Edit, and there you are, back in the editing mode. So if you wanted to have an image here, let's click Save and Close. I am going to have, let's say, an image card, image and caption. So you drop it in here, you drag it over, drop it in here, you put your image here. Let's say I have an image because I want people to see me, because they might not know me yet. There you go. Maybe I'll just use that one just for demonstration purposes. Normally I have it as a circle. Obviously that is a little bit too big, so I'm going to go into the settings, and I would like the caption to be on the right. So this makes it a little bit smaller. Again, you would probably have a smaller image here when you upload, or you can choose this here, right, caption width. I would like the caption to be bigger because I don't want the picture to be so big. So, and that's it. Now you can type it, save and close, and you can type your caption in here, and then you could basically copy this text here and put it in there. And do your text, whichever text you want to add there. So I might do it as in 2/3. And you could also, again, click Save and Close, put it down a little bit. Obviously, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And I would also like to, I want to design it, this one here, and do it in the same type in Montserrat, and make it bigger, and that way it fits into the page a bit more. When I have more time, I would do this, get the right text, write the right copy to make it work. And that's it. So let's have a quick preview. You click Save and Close again. You can preview it at any time. And that could be your landing page. Again, you can edit it at any time. So now you go Save and Publish again. And that way it's the same link. So it's exactly the same link. See here, 0CB, it ends with the same thing, 0CB, but now it looks different because we've just changed it. And that's it. That's how you create a landing page with MailChimp for free. So you don't have to pay a third party a monthly rate, because this is free for up to 2,000 subscribers, and it looks quite nice. And you can take this link anywhere and put it onto your Squarespace website and just add it in here to a button or wherever you want. So let's say I would like to add this to a button. I would add a button, like this. Click to add URL, put the URL in here, learn more, let's say send me the replay link, and click apply, and now I have a button. And if I was clicking save, this is my live website, I might just do it just to show you. Let's say I'm going into my website now, just to show you. Go down here, where's the button? See? Click on it, and there you go, you're on the page. And this is where you enter your email address. .com. Yes, send me the link, and there you go. And that email address is now on my email list automatically. Let me just quickly show you. There it is. It hopped on. I'm on board. Again, I only just wanted the email address, so there's no first name. If I had done the first name, that would have been here. And date added just now, a minute ago, and that's it. So that's how you create a landing page with MailChimp. And now the email is going to go out automatically to them with the replay link for the webinar, because I would have created that in advance by clicking here into the campaigns, create a campaign, create an email, and here is where you can choose automated, and then you just go ahead. And that's it.
See, told you it was going to be easy. Okay, if you like this video and if it helped you, make sure to click the like button below, leave a comment for me, or maybe ask me another question so I can create another video or another tutorial for you. Make sure to subscribe. Don't miss out on any other video every Friday. So I'm putting videos up every Friday, and make sure to click the bell beside the subscribe button. And I can't wait to hear from you. Oh, and also I have a free Facebook community filled with like-minded new entrepreneurs and Squarespace newbies. It's where I hang out most and where I answer any questions, and that's where I am to help. So make sure to click the link below. I'm going to leave it below in the description. I would love to welcome you there. I'm always there to help. Bye.